Ever walked into a space and felt instantly captivated, like everything about it spoke luxury and sophistication? But then you think, can I really make my own home look and feel that way? Welcome to TA Interiors, where we transform your home into sophisticated spaces. In this video, I discuss the tips to make your home look expensive. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful ways to elevate your home without blowing your budget. And don't worry, we're not talking about selling your car expensive. These are budget-friendly secrets that add instant style and elegance. Tip 1. Declutter for an open feel. Let's start with the most affordable trick, decluttering. Imagine each piece in your home as a guest at an exclusive event. A decluttered space feels open, inviting, and polished. Let go of anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring joy. Ever noticed how luxury spaces are never overflowing with stuff? There's a reason for that. Tip 2. Create an accent wall. Accent walls are one of the easiest ways to add visual interest and luxury to any space. Instead of going for bold colors, try textured wallpaper, wall panels, or even a subtle metallic finish. This one wall instantly becomes a focal point, drawing in the eye without overwhelming the space. And because you're only focusing on one wall, it's budget-friendly too. Accent wall, not accent the entire room wall. Let's keep it classy. Tip 3. Incorporate large artwork. Art has a way of conveying sophistication. Large-scale artwork, whether it's abstract, black and white photography, or even an eye-catching painting, can add drama and elevate the look of your space. When placed thoughtfully, it becomes an instant statement. Tip 4. Invest in quality fabrics for your textiles. High-quality fabrics, think velvet, silk, or linen, have an effortless luxury to them. Use these for your cushions, throws, and even curtains. The textures and the way these fabrics drape make a space feel much more luxurious. And let's be honest, nobody's feeling luxurious in polyester. Tip 5. Layer with luxurious drapery. Drapes and curtains can make or break a room's ambiance. But here's the trick. Instead of standard curtains, go for floor-to-ceiling drapes in luxurious fabrics like velvet, linen, or textured neutrals. Hanging your curtains higher than the window can make ceilings appear taller, giving the room an airy, grand look that feels elegant and intentional. Tip 6. Use mirrors strategically. Mirrors don't just make a room feel bigger. They add elegance and light to a space. Consider oversized mirrors in the living room or hallway to reflect natural light, making the room feel brighter and more open. Up next, we're talking about a trick that's as much about comfort as it is style. Tip 7. Incorporate plush rugs. A quality rug anchors your room and adds warmth. Look for large, plush rugs with a high pile or intricate design. Even in smaller spaces, a large, soft rug underfoot gives the impression of luxury and comfort. Tip 8. Add sculptural or unique decor pieces. Bring in decor pieces that feel like art themselves. Think sculptural candle holders, unique ceramic vases, or interestingly shaped trays. These decor elements add a touch of luxury and intrigue without requiring a big investment. Place them strategically on coffee tables, consoles, or open shelves to give your space a curated, gallery-like feel. And the best part? You can find unique pieces on a budget that still look like they came from a designer showroom. Tip 9. Elevate your walls with moldings or panels. Wall moldings and paneling bring an architectural dimension to your space. They're classic, elegant, and they give any room a finished look. And here's the best part. Wall moldings can be surprisingly affordable to install but give the impression of a custom, high-end build. Tip 10. Keep your color palette sophisticated. Neutral tones like whites, creams, grays, and muted earth colors offer an instant feeling of sophistication. These tones make the space feel open, calming, and timeless. Accentuate with darker or bolder tones for contrast, but keep it minimal. So there you have it, design tips to give your home that high-end feel. These aren't just trendy tricks, they're timeless upgrades that can transform any space into a reflection of style, sophistication, and elegance. If you're inspired and ready to elevate your home, our design team would love to help you bring your vision to life. Book a consultation with us via WhatsApp. The link is in the description. Let's create a space that feels as sophisticated as you are.